Welcome to English Conversation Practice. Today, we will follow two friends. They want to buy tickets for a music concert. Then they will go to the concert and enjoy the exciting atmosphere. This video is easy, simple, and perfect for beginners. Listen carefully and repeat the useful lines. Let's begin. At home. Hi, what are you doing? I'm looking at my phone. Why? I just saw something exciting online. Really? What is it? Our favorite singer is coming to town next week. What? Really? Yes, there is going to be a big music concert. That sounds amazing. I knew you would say that. Of course, I love that singer. Me too. I listen to those songs all the time. Where is the concert? It's at the city arena. That place is big. A lot of people will go. Yes, I think so. Do you want to go to the concert? Yes, I really do. Then let's go. Great. I was hoping you would say that. When do tickets go on sale? I think they are on sale right now. Then we should buy them soon. Yes, I'm afraid they might sell out. Let's buy the tickets now.
Looking at the ticket website. Okay, I'm opening the ticket website. Can you see the concert page? Yes, I can. What does it say? It says the concert starts at 7:30 p.m. on Saturday. Saturday is perfect. Yes, we both have free time that day. Good. What ticket choices do they have? Let me see. There are floor tickets, lower seats, and upper seats. How much is the floor ticket? Wow, it's pretty expensive. Really? How much is it? It's much more than I expected. Maybe we should look at the other seats. The lower seats are cheaper. That sounds better. And the upper seats are the cheapest. But maybe they are too far from the stage. Yes, I want to see the singer clearly. Me too. I think lower seats are a good choice. Yes, not too expensive and still a good view. I agree. Let's choose those. How many tickets should I buy? 2 tickets, of course. Yes, 2 tickets. Are the seats together? Let me check. I hope so. Yes, good news. There are 2 seats next to each other. Perfect. Do you want aisle seats or middle seats? Maybe aisle seats are more comfortable. That's true. It's easier to move. Yes, especially when there are many people. Okay, I'll choose the aisle seats. Great. Wait, there is also a service fee. Oh no, ticket websites always do that. Yes, the final price is a little higher now. That's okay, it's a special night. You're right, we don't go to concerts very often. Exactly, this will be fun. Are you ready to pay? Yes, I'm entering my card information now. I'm excited already.
Tickets confirmed. Done. Really? Did it work? Yes, it worked. We got the tickets? Yes, we got them. That's great. I just got the confirmation email. Let me see. Here, it says 2 tickets confirmed. Nice. I'm so happy. Me too. Are the tickets digital? Yes, we can use our phones at the entrance. That makes it easy. Yes, we just need to keep the QR code ready. Good idea. I'm going to save the tickets now. Smart. I don't want any trouble at the gate. Same here. This concert is going to be so much fun. I can already imagine the lights and the music, and the crowd singing together. That's one of the best parts. Yes, the atmosphere will be amazing. A few days later. I can't believe the concert is tomorrow. I know, time went by so fast. Are you excited? Very excited. Me too. I've been listening to the singer's songs all week. Same. I want to know every word. Which song do you want to hear the most? I really want to hear the new hit song. That one is great. What about you? I want to hear the older songs too. Yes, the classic songs are always special. I hope the singer performs for a long time. I think so. Big concerts usually last a few hours. That's good. Did you charge your phone? Not yet, but I will tonight. Good. We need our phones for the tickets. And for photos and videos. Exactly. I'm glad we planned this. Me too. It gives us something fun to look forward to. Getting ready on concert day. Today is the day. Yes, it's finally here. What time should we leave? Maybe we should leave early. Why early? Because there will be traffic and a lot of people. That's true. We should also have enough time to find the entrance. Good point. And maybe buy snacks or drinks before the show. I like that idea. What are you going to wear? Something casual and comfortable. Me too. I want to enjoy the concert, not think about my clothes all night. Exactly. Are you bringing a jacket? Yes, just in case. Good. I also have my wallet, phone, charger, and the digital tickets. Perfect. I'm bringing the same things. I'm getting more excited every minute. Me too. Let's have a great night. We will. On the way to the concert. There are already so many people on the street. Yes, I think many of them are going to the same concert. I can see some people wearing the singer's shirts. That's fun. It makes the city feel alive. Yes, there is so much energy. I love the feeling before a big event. Me too. Everyone looks excited. I can hear people talking about their favorite songs. I heard someone singing a little part of one song. That's cute. The concert hasn't even started, but the mood is already great. Exactly. Are you nervous at all? A little, but in a good way. Same here. It feels like something special is about to happen. Yes, nights like this are memorable. I'm glad we're going together. Me too. It's always more fun with a friend.
Outside the arena. Wow, look at this place. There are so many people here. The line is long. Yes, but it's moving. I can hear music outside already, and I can see lights near the entrance. This is exciting. Very exciting. Let me check the tickets again. Good idea. Okay, I have them ready on my phone. Great, I have mine ready too. Do you think we should take a quick photo before we go in? Yes, definitely. Okay, smile. Done. That's a nice photo. We'll remember this night. Yes, we will. The crowd is so loud and happy. I love this feeling. It already feels like a celebration. Exactly. Entering the venue. We're almost at the gate. Get your phone ready. It's ready. Mine too. Okay, we're in. That was easy. Yes, the line moved faster than I thought. I'm glad. Wow, the inside is huge. It feels even bigger than outside. Look at the stage. It's beautiful. The screens are so big, and the lights look amazing already. Even before the show starts, everything looks impressive. Yes, this is going to be a great concert. Let's find our seats. Sure. I think our section is over there. Let's go. Here we are. These seats are actually very good. Yes, I'm happy with them. We can see the stage clearly, and we're not too far away. This was a smart choice. I'm glad we didn't choose the cheapest seats. Me too. But I'm also glad we didn't spend too much. Exactly. This feels balanced. Look around. The place is filling up quickly. Yes, almost every seat is taken now. People are talking, laughing, and taking photos. The energy is growing. I love that feeling before the lights go down. Me too. Everyone is waiting for the first song. I wonder what song the singer will start with. Maybe the newest hit, or maybe a classic favorite. Either way, people will go crazy. That's true. The lights are getting darker. I think it's starting soon. Listen to the crowd. Everyone is cheering now. Wow, this is loud, but it's exciting. Very exciting. I can feel the bass already. Yes, the music is getting stronger. Look at the stage lights moving. They look amazing. I have goosebumps. Me too. This moment is always special. The wait is almost over. Everyone is standing now. I'm standing too. Here we go.
the singer is coming out. Wow.
There they are. The crowd is so loud. Everyone is screaming. The singer looks amazing on stage. Yes, so confident and full of energy. The first song started. I love this song. Everybody is singing along. Listen to the crowd. It feels so powerful. This is better than I imagined. The lights, the sound, the people, everything is great. Yes, the whole arena feels alive. I can feel the music in my whole body. Same here. This is why live concerts are special. Yes, it's not just the music, it's the shared feeling. Look at everyone waving their hands. And so many people are singing together. I love this atmosphere. Me too. It feels warm and exciting at the same time. Even strangers feel connected here. Yes, because everyone loves the same music. That's beautiful. The singer knows how to control the crowd. Yes, every time the singer talks, people cheer loudly. The singer is very good at making people feel included. Now everyone is clapping to the beat. Let's clap too. Okay, this is so much fun. I'm having a great time. Me too. I'm really glad we came. Same. This night is worth it. The people around us are so happy too. Good energy makes everything better.
Wait, I know this intro. Me too. This is one of my favorite songs. Mine too. I can't believe we're hearing it live. Sing with me. Okay, I know almost every word. So do I. The crowd is even louder now. This must be one of the most popular songs. Definitely. The singer sounds fantastic live. Yes, even better than I expected. The band is also very good. Everything sounds strong and clear. This is a perfect concert moment. Yes, I want to remember this forever. I think we will. Look around. So many people are holding up their phones. The lights from the phones are beautiful. The whole arena looks like stars. That's such a pretty view. This slower song feels emotional. Yes, it's calm and powerful at the same time. The singer's voice sounds so clear, and everyone is listening quietly now. It's amazing how the crowd can be loud one minute and silent the next. That's true. This moment feels very special. Yes, it feels personal even in a huge crowd. Music can do that. Yes, music brings people together. I understand that feeling very strongly right now. Me too. I'm so happy we didn't miss this. Same here.
The big final songs. The energy is rising again. Yes, I think the final songs are coming. Everyone is jumping now. The whole place is shaking. This song is amazing. I love the beat. The stage lights are going crazy. And the screens look incredible. The singer is running across the stage. So much energy. I don't feel tired at all. Me neither. The excitement keeps me awake. This is such a fun crowd. Yes, everyone came to enjoy the night. The singer just thanked the audience. People are cheering even louder now. What a great performance. Truly great. Encore. Wait, are they leaving the stage? Maybe the show is over. No, listen. People are shouting for one more song. Encore. Encore. The crowd really wants more. I do too. Oh, the singer is coming back. Yes. One more song. This is the perfect ending. I'm so happy right now. Everyone is singing with full energy. This last song feels like a gift. Yes, a perfect gift for the audience. I'm going to remember this moment for a long time. Same here. What a night. What a night indeed. Wow, that was incredible. Yes, it really was. My ears are still ringing a little. Mine too, but in a funny way. I feel tired, but also very happy. Same, it was worth it. What was your favorite part? I loved when everyone sang together. Me too. The crowd was amazing, and the lights were beautiful. Yes, the whole show looked fantastic. I also loved hearing our favorite song live. That was one of the best parts for me too. I'm really glad we bought those tickets. Me too. It turned into a wonderful night.
We should go to another concert someday. Definitely. Next time, let's plan even earlier. Good idea. Maybe we can get even better seats. Maybe, but tonight was already great. Yes, it was.
On the way home. The city feels different after a concert. Yes, everything still feels full of energy. I still have the songs in my head. Me too. I'll probably sing them all night. I think this is one of the best nights we've had in a long time. I agree. It started with a simple idea at home. Yes. Then we bought the tickets. Then we came here and enjoyed everything. The music, the crowd, the lights, the atmosphere. Yes, everything came together. Nights like this make life feel exciting. That's true. I'm really happy. Me too. Thanks for inviting me. Thanks for coming with me. Anytime. Let's do something fun like this again soon. Absolutely. Great job listening to this English conversation. Today you learned useful English for buying concert tickets, going to a music concert, and enjoying the live atmosphere. Practice simple lines like, do you want to go to the concert? Let's buy the tickets now. And I'm having a great time. Listen again, repeat the lines, and speak with confidence. See you in the next English conversation video.